Is there an absolutely secure way to store your crypto? And if so, how to make it up to 35% cheaper? Well, nice question. Basically, hardware wallets keep your cryptocurrency safe from those sneaky cyber thieves by storing your private keys in a super secure module called an HSM. And don't worry, your keys aren't going anywhere near those internet gremlins. The device itself is about the size of an USB flash drive or a bank card, so it won't take up too much room in your pocket or purse. Inside, there is a printed circuit board, microcontroller, and security module, all working together like a superhero team to protect your crypto. Now, to get your digital treasure, well, we still need to go through some obstacles. First, you'll need to enter a PIN code to access the device management. Then, there is a password to open up the account balance, and a secret phrase that can restore your password if it gets lost somehow. But wait, there's even more. Your funds stay safe and sound offline until you plug in the hardware wallet to your computer. And even then, you'll still need that password to manage your balance and send transactions. So if your hardware wallet ever gets stolen or lost, the thief will have a hard time getting their grabby little paws onto your crypto. So as you can see, hardware wallets are like your personal fortress for cryptocurrencies. Of course, there are lots of different types of these wallets, but let's go through the main ones. If you are looking for a secure and reliable way to store your digital assets, maybe you should look no further than the Ledger Nano S Plus. This nifty little device is one of the hottest hardware wallets on the market right now in 2023, and it won't break the bank at just $80. Ledger Nano S Plus supports tons of cryptos, including the big hitters like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, as well as other popular coins like Ripple, Dogecoin, etc. That's right, you can keep all your favorite cryptos in one place. Now, let's talk about why Ledger Nano S Plus is such a great option here. First of all, it is super reliable, thanks to the fact that it stores your private keys on the device itself in an encrypted form. Plus, Ledger Live interface is about as user-friendly as it gets, making managing your wallets a breeze. And yeah, with a wide range of currencies supported and updates rolling out all the time, you can rest assured that your coins are in good hands. Okay, there is even more. Ledger Nano S Plus also lets you connect a second account with its password and PIN code, so you can keep your different currencies separate and secure. And of course, with its durable and compact design, this wallet is built to withstand whatever life throws your way. Now, there are a couple of downsides to keep in mind. If you are planning on making microtransactions, you might run into some trouble. You'll either need to accumulate large sums or use third-party services. And the limited memory means you can only install a few blockchain networks. But hey, nothing's perfect, right? All in all, Ledger Nano S Plus is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a secure and easy-to-use hardware wallet. So whether you are a seasoned pro or just getting started, this wallet has got you covered. So yeah, go ahead and get yourself Ledger Nano S Plus and stuff, but wait, are there any alternative options? Can a hardware wallet cost under $50? Well, you won't believe, guys, but yes. Introducing the SafePal S1 hardware wallet, your trusty companion for storing and managing your cryptocurrency securely. With SafePal, you can store multiple crypto coins and tokens offline in cold storage, making sure they are safe and sound from online hackers. And if you're worried about the compatibility of your currencies, well, fret not. SafePal supports a wide variety of them. You can even buy and exchange crypto through the application. But wait, there is also more. This compact and lightweight wallet doesn't require any connection, so no cables, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, just pure, unadulterated security. Plus, it comes with a color screen and a navigation panel with 5 buttons, making it easy to use. If you are worried about its use, well, don't be. SafePal is supported by major players in the crypto game like Binance Labs, Trust Wallet, and Litecoin Foundation. And at just $49.99, you won't break the bank. Besides, you can even add a seed phrase tablet or a protective case for extra security. Okay, now I know what you're thinking. What about the cons? Well, the only drawback is that you can only use it with the SafePal app, and scanning QR codes for all operations can be tad inconvenient. But hey, no one said storing your crypto would be a walk in the park, right? So after all, getting your hands on the SafePal S1 hardware wallet could be a wise decision. Next, Tangem Wallet, and it's not just any regular wallet. It is actually a physical card that connects to your phone via NFC. So no cables, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, just tap and go. The best part, well, you can carry this little baby in your wallets. So it's like having your own personal bank right in your pocket. Plus, the Tanja Wallet supports a large variety of coins and tokens, so you can store them all, your favorite cryptos, in one place. And the cherry on top, the mobile application is super user-friendly, so you won't have to be a tech genius to figure out how to use it. Plus, the certified chip means that your digital assets are super secure. But as with everything in life, there are some cons. Tanja Wallet only works with smartphones that have NFC support. So if you're still rocking that flip phone from 2005, well, you might be out of luck. And unfortunately, you cannot store NFT tokens so far, so you'll have to find another way to store your non-fungible treasures. But don't worry, you can still use DeFi with Tanja Wallet by using Wallet Connect, which is super great they have it. By the way, if you're interested in Tangem, just feel free to watch our detailed guide and get your 10% discount. The wallet starts at $40 for 2 cards if you're using our discount, which is significantly lower than the competitors. So, to sum it up, the Tanja Wallet is a pretty cool hardware wallet with support for a large number of digital currencies and a high level of security. It feels like having your own personal bank vault that you can carry in your pocket. Well, who says you can't take it with you? Ready to spend big one on a hardware wallet? Keystone is here to save the day. This wallet is like a secret agent with 100% air-gapped QR code communication, perfect for all your Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, Tron, LTC Dash, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies. It's got all the cool features you need: a cold storage with open source, 4-inch touchscreen, and PCBT Bitcoin multisig support. Plus, with its fingerprint sensor and blinding signing, you can be sure your wallet is ultra secure. The best part? Well, you can even check out your NFT collections on this baby. And hold on to your hats, because this wallet has a self-destruct mechanism. Well, yep, you heard it right. It's like a James Bond gadget that makes the usage more secure and protected. So, Keystone offers the perfect balance between a secure and convenient hardware wallet with mobile phone support. And guess what? It is available in 2 models, the Keystone Essential and Pro. The Essential comes in $119 and the Pro at $169. And hey, wanna get a whopping 35% discount? Just watch our detailed review of Keystone and use our special promo code when ordering. Well, now we know that you're thinking, that's a bit pricey. And well, we agree, not cheap, but if security is your top priority, then Keystone Wallet is the perfect fit for you. Plus, it's like a trusty sidekick with a screen that will never let you down. Okay, how could we get past the famous one, Trezor Wallet? Have you actually heard of Trezor Wallet? It is a little gadget that looks like a mix between a flash drive and a keychain, and it is equipped with a small LCD display. You can connect it to your PC or even Android phone, and it only costs $69, which is nice. But wait, there's even more. This wallet can store over 1,000 types of cryptocurrencies, including like big names, Bitcoin, LTC, Ethereum, Zcash, and Dash. So you can keep your digital coins safe and secure in one single place. One of the coolest things about the Trezor One is its multi-level access protection. Plus, you can even sign transactions offline, It is also compatible with platforms like Ether Wallet, Mycelium, and Electrum. And let's not forget about its stylish appearance and compactness, perfect for on-the-go crypto enthusiasts. But still, let's not forget about the downsides. Some say about its vulnerability issues, and there are unfortunately a lot of counterfeits out there. So make sure you buy from an official dealer only to avoid getting scammed. Now, if you're looking for something a bit fancier, well, you might want to check out Trezor Model T. It's the second generation of hardware wallets released by Satoshi Labs, and it has some cool new features like an increased touchscreen and a micro SD card slot. Plus, it even supports over 1,200 cryptos. That's even more than its predecessor. Of course, with great features comes a greater price tag. So this Trezor Model T costs $186. But hey, you get what you're paying for, right? The device has a high level of security and a user-friendly interface with a color screen, and it's all compact and lightweight. Just keep in mind that the delivery might be a bit long and pricey, and there is still a chance you might end up with the counterfeit. But don't worry, as long as you buy from an official dealer, you should be good to go. Okay, first thing, there is no 100% secure way to store your crypto. You should understand that things can go wrong even with the safest cold wallet in the world. But if you're doing everything right, well, you are 99% safe. But what I know for sure is that you can get great security with up to 35% discount by watching our guides on the top crypto wallets and using our promo code, of course. So, an offer hard to refuse, right?